Question number 1. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. First part given 2x raised to power 2 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. First of all, we are comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So d is equal to 3 3s are 9 minus 40. This implies d is equal to minus 31. If discriminant is equal to negative, then real roots does not exist. Hence, no real roots exist. If discriminant is negative, then real root does not exist. Hence, no real root exists. Given 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0, comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. First of all, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting the value b is minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5. 3 square, that will be positive, minus 3 square, that will be positive 9, minus 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40, minus 40 plus 9, that is equal to negative 31. So real roots does not exist. No real roots exist. Question number 1, second part. Given equation is 3x raised to power 2 minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to constant, that is 4. And discriminant b square minus 4ac, d is equal to b is here minus 4 root 3 raised to power 2 minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 4. Discriminant d is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48 minus 48. This implies d is equal to 0. When discriminant equal to 0, then we get two equal roots, and x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. This implies x is equal to minus b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus discriminant d is here 0 root 0 divided by 2 into a is 3. X is equal to minus minus, that will be positive 4 root 3 plus plus minus root, that will be 0 divided by 6. This implies x equal to 4 root 3 plus 0, that is 4 root 3 divided by 6, and 4 root 3 minus 0, that is also 4 root 3 divided by 6, and 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. X is equal to 2 root 3 upon 3, and we are rationalizing this root 3 and same 2 root 3 upon 3 rationalizing with root 3. This implies x is equal to 2 into 3 upon 3 root 3, 2 into 3 upon 3 root 3. 3 is cancelled, and we get two equal roots, that is 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3. Answer. Given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. We are comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and c is equal to 4. And discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a into c. A is here 3 and c is 4. 4 minus 4 root 3 raised to power 2 is equal to minus minus, that will be positive 4 4s are 16 into root 3 square. Root square is cancelled, multiply by 3, that is equal to 48. So we get 48 minus 48, that is 0. When discriminant equal to 0, then we get two equal roots, and x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. D is 0 minus minus, that is positive 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 6. 4 root 3 plus 0, that is 4 root 3 upon 6, and 4 root 3 minus 0, that is also 4 root 3 upon 6. Rationalizing both sides by root 3, we get root 3, that is 3, and 3 root 3 in denominator. 3 is cancelled, and same on another roots. 2 upon 3 root 3, 3 is cancelled. We get the value of x equal to 2 upon root 3 comma 2 upon root 3. Both roots are equal. Answer. Question number first. Third part, given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to positive 3, and discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b minus 6 raised to power 2 minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. So discriminant d is equal to 6 6 are 36 minus 4 2 are 8 8 3 are 24. This implies d is equal to 12. We get the value of discriminant d is equal to 12, and if discriminant is positive, then real roots exist and roots are unequal. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. X is equal to minus b is minus 6 plus minus root 12 divided by 2 into a is here 2. Minus minus, that will be positive. 6 plus minus 12 can be write it as in prime factorization method 2 into 3 divided by 2 2s are 4. One pair of 2 taking common in root. This implies x is equal to 6 plus minus 2 is taking common in root 3 upon 4. And x is equal to 2 is taking common. In bracket we get 3 plus minus under root of 3 divided by 4. 4 is cancelled by 2 times, and we get 2 unequal roots. This implies x is equal to 3 plus root 3 upon 2, one root, and another root 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Answer. Given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. We are comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and get the value of a is 2, b is minus 6, c equal to 3. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to b is minus 6 square minus 4 into a into c. 6 6 are 36 minus 4 2s are 8 3s are 24, and 36 minus 24, that is equal to 12, and we get the value of discriminant d, that is equal to 12. And b, find the roots are unequal. If discriminant is positive, then real roots exist, and x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. X equal to minus b is minus 6 plus minus root d, we get 12 upon 2 into a is 2. Prime factorization of 12 equal to 2 into 3. In root, taking one pair of 2 is common, and that is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. We are taking common 2 in this, and in bracket we get 3 plus minus root 3 upon 4. 4 is cancelled, 2 2s are 4, and we get two unequal roots, that is x equal to 3 plus root 3 upon 2, 1 roots, and another root 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Answer. Question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Question for first part. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. A is equal to coefficient of x square, that is 2, b is equal to coefficient of x, that is positive k, and c equal to constant number, that is 3. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. We find the value of k. D is equal to 0. D is equal to, b is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. D is equal to k square minus 24. D, put D is equal to 0. Then k square minus 24 is equal to 0. This implies k square is equal to 24 and k is equal to under root of 24 plus minus. Prime factorization of 24. We know that 2, 12, 2s are 24, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3s are 6, and 3, 1s are 3. K is equal to plus minus under root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. One pair of 2 is common in root, and we get the value of k is equal to positive negative 2 root 6. Answer. Given 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0, we are comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and get the value of a is 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and we find the value of k. Discriminant will be 0. When discriminant equal to 0, then d is equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3, k square minus 24. D is equal to 0. Discriminant is k square minus 24 equal to 0. This implies k square is equal to 24 positive. And prime factorization of 24, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and in root one pair of 2 taking common, we get the value of k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Answer. Question number 2, second part. kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx multiplied by x, that is equal to kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation, and comparing it with a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, and c is equal to 6. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. To find the value of k, b put discriminant d equal to 0. D is equal to minus 2k raised to power 2 b square minus 4 into k into 6, that is equal to discriminant d is 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k. Put discriminant d is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 4k is taking common, and in bracket k minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies k equal to 0 and k is equal to positive 6. Answer. Given kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First of all, kx multiplying by x, that is kx square, minus kx multiplied by 2 minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get the value of a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, c equal to 6, and discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting the value of b, a, and c in discriminant, we get minus 2k square, that is 4k square, minus minus plus 2 2s are 4k square, minus 4 into k into 6, 4ac, 6 4s are 24k, and we find the value of k. Put discriminant d equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 4k is taking common, and in bracket x minus 6, 4k multiplied by k, that is 4k square, 4k multiplied by 6, that is minus 24k. So 4k is taking common, k minus 6 equal to 0, k equal to 0, and k is not equal to 0, but k is equal to 6. Answer. Thank you so much.